Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you guys how to prepare coconut chutney. So coconut chutney is a South Indian chutney. It's a side dish made up of coconut pulp ground and much other ingredients. To prepare this chutney, you will require just 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's begin the video. So first take a blender, add 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of roasted split gram, 2 to 3 green chilies, ginger, small piece of jaggery, tamarind, 1 spoon of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of water or add as much required for grinding. Grind to a smooth consistency. If the coconut chutney looks thick, then you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of more water. Transfer it to a bowl and in other side heat oil in a small pan. Add mustard seeds. When mustard seeds begins to splutter, add the cumin seeds, urad dal, dried red chili, hing, asafoetida, curry leaves. Switch off the flame and immediately pour the tempering on a coconut chutney. Serve it with idli, dosa, vada, roti or any other. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.